So today we're at Carthage College with math and science teachers coming together to create lessons and activities to grow an interest in the math and science contents at the middle school level.
And what we're trying to do is we're trying to bridge the gap between math and science and create some interdisciplinary lessons. So today what we did is we started out just by introducing ourselves to one another within the district so that we can get a better understanding of who each other are, and then we can start to kind of compile a bank of resources in order for us to use moving forward.
3, 2, 1. There.
Winter, but then with the spring and autumn, it's a little bit harder just because, again, it's not.
I did a little bit of biology, a little bit of science, I did a little bit of and then they were like, oh, let's change it up. Then they changed it. 7 years ago now, it's okay, let's just do a little bit of science moving forward. That's kind of bringing them back and kind of talking about it, which is awesome. What we want to do is we just kind of want to reflect on today because we love the group that we have today. I love the people that came. However, so what are your books? Are you B, C, and D? And he's like, no, I'm F, K, or whatever. And I was like,
Today, Erin brought up a unit that we rarely ever get to, and she brought up a way how she brings it into her class, and it's like, to me, I'm like, that's genius. I want this, please. So like to identify like, oh, I know I struggle in this area, and then whoever's in my community next time will be like, oh, well, actually, I have something for that.
Yeah.
And this is how it goes.
You guys would be submitting your report through Google form, so that way you can mark what unit you use it in, what the title is. You can post any resources, whether you have links, worksheets, anything like that. And then just like any extra little comments that you need to add, like, hey, if you're doing this lab, make sure you use distilled water, or if you're growing these crystals, it is going to be overnight. Anything like that, so you can add those.
so that was our meeting for today, and we hope to see others coming forward to other future meetings.
We look forward to expanding this community, and we hope to see you at our next workshop.